welcome ladies, welcome back to McArthur Industries Group. So what we have and we've spoken about is a SavvyLevel unit supplied and fitted to either your motorhome or caravan for you. SavvyLevel unit, we think, is going to be in the industry, makes such a difference. For one, for what we do is safety, also making the difference for a single person being able to level their caravan or motorhome by themselves with either the commonly known ramps or airbags, or what people do with their hydraulic ramps and motorhomes. So what we want to, if you want to see this work, in this video we'll go through and show you how this works and show you through on our concept trailer, which we've got, and we thank Cruisemaster so much what they've done. We've got some of their XT suspension on here, air suspension, so we can show this work really well for you. So as we go through this, you'll see how it works. Thank you. So ladies and gentlemen, the SavvyLevel. So what I want to do is show you how the SavvyLevel works, and you'll understand why I want you to have one of these in your caravan or motorhome. As you can see guys, what we've got here is we've got an app, the SavvyLevel app, and with our suspension here, we can actually level the caravan out. At the moment, we're 4 degrees out, so we're pumped up. So we're going to drop this down, and you'll watch this actually start to level. So think about this, you're in your car having the opportunity to level up as you go and do this. So we're coming up, and I've just come through, and we're coming through and leveling our caravan. So this is where you can be, where there's a safety, where your wife or your partner's not sitting there trying to hold ramps, you're reversing on, and we've just leveled that caravan, knowing exactly that this is level on this ground. I think this is industry-wise, you've got to think about sinks, water drainage, when you're sleeping in bed, all these sort of things. Also gives you an opportunity with tilt control to know where you are. Like we've zeroed that already, but if I go get the jockey wheel, I can lift up, lift down, and know where we are. So we think this is going to be industry standard. At the moment, it's not. So you need to come and see us. Have a great day, and we'll speak to you soon.